This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys had a great week this past week, as market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to quickly talk about my analysis for gold, and I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has more or less made this this move here all the way down to support level around the 1788 area, and then bounced off to the 1870 area. So when price got there, we can see price formed this bearish engulfing candle, tried to push price all the way down towards the 1800 area, but quickly rejected off that, closing above this support area. We can see around the 1830 level. And then last week, you can see price forming this bearish candle, not a very strong bearish candle, but a bearish candle still. And price closed below that support area. So looking at this on the weekly time frame, I am expecting price to continue this down move all the way to either the 1807 level or down to the 1888 area, which I suspect price would head to. So from the general point of view, this is what I am expecting, a general down move for this coming week. However, the down move may not be sustained. It may just be for a short period of time, and price may just end up going all the way to the top. But however, if this bearish move continues, then I expect price to get all the way to the 1788 area. So let's have a closer look and see if that is that will be the case. If we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that price more or less was or has been ranging. Price has just been between this level and down to the 1808 1807 area, and hasn't broken below it down to this support. And then price still forming this lower high here, and then got to this area here now. So at the moment, price is still in the range. It's not giving us any like pure direction. We know generally like the main trend as it is bearish, as we can see from the broad view, that price has been moving in the downward direction. But at the moment, you know, its price seems to be ranging, so it's not giving us any specific direction in which to go to. And from the weekly time frame that we saw earlier, that price breaking this support level means that price may just continue to be bearish for a little while longer, and hopefully all the way down to this 1788 area. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, for us to be able to trade gold at the moment, we need to be very, very careful, because gold isn't moving in a specific direction at the moment, so you can easily get taken out. But what I would advise is this coming week, there are certain areas that we have to look out for, and I would point them out to you. Okay. First of all, one of the important areas we have to look out for is the 1807 area. That's this one here. We can see price testing it here, price coming down again to test it here. Okay. And so if by chance price comes down again to this area, the 1807 area, then we should be looking for major price reaction around that level. So major price reaction I'm talking about would be either price bouncing off that level, okay, from here to the top, or price breaking that area, okay, down and getting all the way to the 1788 area, which I pointed out earlier. So that means this 1807 area will be a very key area for us, and we need to be very patient for price to get to that level before reacting. Okay. Another thing again that we can see is another possibility is price going to the upside. And how would that price do that? You can see that you can plot a trend line here, and then we can see how to take the trades if price does break that trend line. So if price gets to this trend line here, all right, so we're looking for a break of this trend line to the upside and possibly a retest, and then price continuing to the top. So this is also another possibility. So therefore, two things to watch out for in the upcoming week is one, either price going up to break this trend line, or price coming all the way down towards the 1807 area, and that's where we will now look for price reactions. So I would advise not to rush into any trades this coming week. We need to wait and see, at least for the first few hours of market opening, to see how price would play out. And again, the two scenarios are if price breaks this trend line to the top, then we'll be looking to take our buy trades up there. However, if price comes all the way down to this support level at the 1807 area, then we'll be waiting to see how price reacts. If price gets here and gives us a bullish signal, then we buy. If price gets down there and breaks the level, right, then we'll sell to the downside. So that is what we'll be looking at, but we wouldn't take any trades immediately. So you have to be very, very, very patient for gold, for the market to play out before rushing into any sort of trades. Like I said, the market isn't, on a smaller time frame, isn't giving us any specific direction for the time being. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is going towards the downside and it's more bearish. So my bias will be more towards that direction. However, I wouldn't rush to take any bearish trades until price gets to the 1807 area and breaks it. So I'll just be taking a very little trade from that level, but nothing too major for the time being. That's because there isn't any specific direction that price is pointing towards at the moment. And if we rush to take any trade, price could easily go in the opposite direction. So this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope you have found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the